What up YouTube, it's your boy Maluma Cupcake and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes sir, so welcome back guys. Y'all missed me, I'm sure, yeah, cause I haven't shot a video I think it's been a month now. But yeah, today I decided to come up with a young banger. What I'll be doing is that today I'm linking up with my boys and all this kind of thing. So I decided let me share them with a friend. I was like, okay, I got the fake blood and all fake blood and all this guy. I got the fake blood. So yeah, I got it. Then after it, I was like, okay, let me do this. Let me tell them I'm sick and all those kind of things. But we sharing a video. Would you rather type video and all those kind of things? So what's gonna happen in the video is that so basically I'ma tell them I'm coughing and all this kind of thing. Then tell them I need water during the video. And after I go get water and all this kind of thing, I'm not gonna get water really. I'm just gonna think my thing in my fake blood and all that kind of thing. When I come back, that's when it's springtime. And after that, I'ma cough blood and see direction and all this kind of things. Yes guys, so yeah, road to 500 subscribers, likes and everything guys. Yeah. Prepare man. See questions hard. Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Maluma Cupcake and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes sir. And today I'm not alone. I'm with my goons over here. They will introduce themselves. Kuto is the name.
Yeah, Sloper 99.
I still IG handles anything next.
Mbazo RSC, fan.
Mbazo RSC, okay. So today we're shooting a Would You Rather. Yeah, that type of video, yeah. So what we wanna do is basically I'm gonna give you two alternatives. You have to choose which one you would rather do and why would you do it and all those kind of things. So yeah, okay. Would you okay. Would you rather have a bad breath or body odor? Bad body odor. Would you rather have a bad breath or the whole man? You have to choose between the two.
I better give a
So you're gonna have a bad breath.
Straight, in fact.
But why? Because obviously when you have a bad body odor, everyone how feel just busy who go continue.
You drop like a truth and that's real,
So you would rather choose to twinny over twinny bad bread?
Yeah.
So that's really bad.
During a fast.
Because if I just sit to shop a business here, how to work about? I would say the price. Okay, good job.
Hey, stop. Ask them to come look.
No, that's
the same dog. Muhammad.
Unka budi mvutseko vaba ngabar ayitama nangkhawume wena sokutova so.
Okay, the next question now. Would you, let's say if no Siva and you know how your parents are cheating and all those kind of things, who would you snitch on? Would you rather snitch on your mom or your dad?
No, fine.
I'll snitch.
Next.
Let's say you have to choose or snitch on who?
Snitchal time on fat.
Snitchal time.
Straight.
Wild time.
Mfizwa itioka chela umathema ukuthi abaratokuyira jo.
Wena kujo.
But no lady dog.
Ke la tumi sa ko tlo ka foza video ko ka ngwa nya.
Because that's serious no kwa. Washo mfana.
Masuyikhatha manje.
Washo mfana. Masuyikhatha manje.
Amani mama.
Emula ke mo. Eba. No,
Unlasting pain, dog.
Hey, it's not make sure. It's just too.
Jody Zagi mo. Vale.
Ayala, afet ke brain.
Munno ke rompo.
Basisa le phone manje.
Emunne.
Dona ikazi.
Emunne mfana umuntu
Nakazi ke akhe twavala.
Akubona fuck. Vana faniyenza lesizombe. Akuyabona mfana.
I get none of blind.
Mfano na man.
Thanks for watching, guys. Go to 500 subscribers of it. I got them. I'm going to give you
Let's get us
Dora
all.
skahlangile, ngora tho.
Davai man. Ligeraya.
When I'm talking, guys, this thing.
Gazi mfana career. Mfano.
Thanks for watching, guys. Go to 500 subscribers and 1K likes, my friend. 1K likes.